This is how to leave any WhatsApp group without people knowing. The first thing you do is to identify and list out all the groups in your WhatsApp. To do that, you come to this place, you tap group. That will list all the WhatsApp group on your WhatsApp. Normally, for you to exit any group is to tap on the group. You tap on the group, you tap here, you scroll down, you can see exit the group. This is where you tap to exit the group. But if you use this method, people in that group and admin will know, but there's a way around it. The first method is for you to mute the group. When you mute the group, you will no longer get a notification alert unless they mention your name. So I'll be using this group to demonstrate. For me to mute this group, you will tap and hold it, tap and hold. You can see it has ticked it because I've tapped it and held it. This is the mute symbol on WhatsApp. You will tap it. As soon as you tap it, you can see you can mute this group for 8 hours, 1 week, or you continue to mute it forever as long as you remove it. You tap OK. An indication that you've muted the group is this symbol, this bell that is crossed. That implies that you won't receive any notification from this group again. It has been muted. And for you to unmute it, you hold it back, you tap this bell, you tap it. You can see the symbol is gone. So the second method to leave WhatsApp group without people knowing is for you to archive the group. For me to archive this group, you tap it. You can see this symbol. This is archive. You tap this, so you tap it. That group is archived. How do you check it? You check it by tapping here. You can see archived. All these groups you are seeing here, they are all archived together with this. That implies that when any message is sent, you will not see it and you will not be bothered. It's as good as you exited the group. And for you to unarchive any group, that is for you to remove any group from being archived, you tap on the group, you select this archived. You can see it is no more there. When you come back, the group is back to normal. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.